Let's learn Adobe Accessibility. To create a perfectly accessible PDF file, all of the blank or empty tags do have to be removed or marked as artifact within the document. How do we do that? Well, it's rather simple. I have a document up here, and I have come to the side and opened up the Tags panel. If when you open your Adobe you don't see the tags, do a right click and click to turn it on. I'm going to select the very first tag, and everything is selected. As I use my arrow key to go down, there's my heading 1, there's a paragraph, there's another paragraph, and what is that? If I expand here, it's empty, and if I expand the next one, it's empty, and the next one, and the next one. How can I have these empty tags? What you don't realize is that when this person created this file in the source application, and in this case it was Microsoft Word, they did a hard return or pressed enter over and over again, and Adobe has picked those up as blank. Now if I were to go to the reading order panel, we can see them here as well. So how do we fix them? Well, if you come to your Adobe and Tags and the P and right click, you can go to Properties, and you have a variety of choices here. Now what you're not going to see here is to mark this as a background or as an artifact. So what do we do? Well, we're going to go to this little button right here. Now this button is our Contents button. And on page 1, there it is. It's a container, and if I expand it, there's nothing there. So I'm going to right click, and right in here you'll notice I don't have the opportunity to change it. But if I come here, I don't have the opportunity to change it. Let's open up our reading order panel. So from our accessibility toolbar, there's our reading order. So I am going to click on the first one and mark it as a background. Click on the second one, mark it as a background. The third one, mark it as a background. And the fourth one. And the fifth one. Now I'm going to close my reading order. Notice here in the sidebar they are marked as artifacts. And if I go to the Tags panel, I no longer see them under the tags. And that's how we address empty tags within our Adobe Accessibility. If you've learned something from the video, click that little like button down below. Make sure you subscribe.